Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you've got an Apple gift card and you want to add it to your iPad, right? This is actually super straightforward and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. First thing you need to do is open the App Store app on your iPad. You'll find it on your home screen. It's the blue icon with a white symbol. Tap it and wait for it to load completely. Step 2. Once you're in the App Store, look for the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and tap it. This is usually a circle with your picture or initials inside. Step 3. Now you're going to tap on that icon and look for an option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. It might say something slightly different depending on your iOS version, but it's definitely in there. Step 4. When you tap Redeem, you'll get options to either use your camera to scan the code on the back of your gift card or manually type in the code. I recommend using the camera because it's faster and more accurate. Just hold your iPad up to the barcode and let it scan. Step 5. After the code is scanned or entered, the amount will be added to your Apple account balance. You're all set now and can start purchasing apps, music, books, and subscriptions right on your iPad using that gift card balance.